Okay, hey, it's Jim from Down on Mountain Custom Models. I got a pair of Athearn Genesis MP15s. These are New York and Atlantic Railway. Full lighting package on here, all LED front and rear ditch lights and working marker lights. Let me just take a look at these guys. And then the rear ones work independently as well. And of course they can just go on and off. And the marker lights in the rear, there you go. I don't know why that one's running so much faster. That one's they're just factory Tsunami sound. I'll have to probably speed match them together. But you can see again the marker lights, and if I just go forward, all the ditch lights. Okay, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.